Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reset Microsoft Edge to factory settings. Chapter 1. How to reset Microsoft Edge to factory settings from Browse. To start, in Edge, click on the menu and click on Settings. After this, go to Section Reset Settings. Here, click on Restore Settings to their default values. Now click on Reset and wait that process ending. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. How to reset Microsoft Edge to factory settings from Explorer. To start, in the search box enter %local app data %. Click on File folder. Here, open the Microsoft folder, select the Edge folder and click on Delete. In some cases, you need click on Continue to set admin permissions. Wait to end this process. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.